Edit weekdays in Google Ads? Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to edit weekdays for your Google Ads campaign. I'll demonstrate using the Google Ads mobile app. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more related content on the channel. Subscribe, hit like. I'm always making helpful videos for you guys. Alright folks, let's get started. It's pretty straightforward. I'm opening the Google Ads app now. If you don't have it, grab it from the App Store or Play Store. After logging in, tap below to access your campaign. Choose the campaign you want to edit. I'll tap the first option, the only active one in green. The others are paused. Once in the campaign, tap the gear icon for settings. Here you'll see campaign data, daily budget, locations, name, status, and if it's enabled. Scroll down and click on the last option, Add Scheduling, at the bottom. For you, it'll look like this. Click on the pencil icon at the bottom. Now you'll edit. Choose Monday through Friday here. Set the ad schedule. I'll set it from 7:30 or 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. this company's business hours. Then just click Save at the top. Your ad will only be active on Google Ads. It'll only show if someone searches during these specific times. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.